Pilipinas, Governor Bong and Governor Bong Lacson and Vice Governor Joven Alonso, our beloved members of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan, our beloved and also very good-looking district representatives, ang aton nga mga gwapa, kagwapo nga mga mayors and all public officials present, and all our coordinators, our partners from the NYLI, fellow Negrenses, and everyone present, good evening. 30 years ago, Panaad was envisioned as a gathering, a space where our cities and municipalities could come together and showcase the very best of Negros Occidental. Today, 3 decades later, that vision has grown into something even greater. As I said during the launch a month ago, Panaad is no longer just a festival. It has become a symbol of our unity as Negrenses. This year's theme, Panaad sa Negros, 30 years of bringing Negrenses together, reminds us of our shared commitment to one another, to preserve our heritage, uplift our communities, and to move forward together with hope and optimism. Looking around, we see the result of dedication, collaboration, and most of all, deep love for Negros Occidental. To our local government units, our partners, sponsors, coordinators, and volunteers, your hard work has brought this beloved festival to life. This year, we are especially proud to partner with the Negrosanang Young Leaders Institute. Through this partnership, we reaffirm that this festival is not only a celebration of who we are today, but also an investment in the youth and our future. This Pearl Anniversary, you will experience the richness of Negros Occidental in its fullest form. We have prepared a celebration that not only honors where we came from, but also embraces where we are going. To our beloved Negrenses, this festival is for you. We have prepared the biggest and the brighter stage for you to showcase your gifts and talents. We invite all of you to take pride in who we are and in what we can continue to build together. To our visitors, welcome. May you experience the warmth, creativity, and sweetness of our province. And may this not be your last visit to Negros Occidental. And as we celebrate this milestone year, we also prepare something truly special, a tribute worthy of 30 years of unity, excellence, and Negrense pride. In a few minutes, we will witness one of the most anticipated highlights of the festival, the best of festival dances, a powerful and proud showcase of our culture, colors, and identity. Above all, this celebration is our thanksgiving to God, whose grace has guided Panaad sa Negros and Negros Occidental through the years, and whose blessings continue to sustain our province and our people. Madamo kini salamat sa inyong tanan na pagkadto diri. Happy 30th Panaad sa Negros Festival and Avance Negrense. And at this point, I would like to invite Senator JB, Governor Bong, Vice Governor Joven Alonso, our board members, our district representatives, Congressman Javi Benitez and Congressman Manman Co, our mayors, to come up on stage for the ceremonial ringing of the bell to formally open the 30th Panaad sa Negros Festival. And we also thank you.
Negros Occidental, you are about to witness again another historical moment. It is not just every year that we celebrate Panaan sa Negros Festival, but this year highlights the 30th year, the Pearl celebration of Panaan sa Negros Festival. And we gotta make sure na tanan ng opisyales yara na sa ilang mga pwesto as we get ready for the ringing of the bell, partner, and the declaration of our festival for this year open.
Thank you, and once again, good evening. It is my honor to officially proclaim the Panaan sa Negros Festival 2026 open. Let the festivities begin.
Once again, everyone, let's give it up. The Panaan sa Negros Festival 2026 is officially open.
Let's now have our official photo op with all officials on stage. Please step forward, and our official friends from the media and documentaries, find your space, please. Let us all get ready to smile for the camera. Negros Occidental, it has been declared open. Welcome to Panaan sa Negros Festival 2026!
Sa liwan natin, palakpakan ang ating mga officials here on stage, and madamong niyo salamat Senator J.D. Ejercito for joining us. Stay tuned kaysa hindi madugay. Makasugod na ang ating Best of the Festival Dances competition, beginning with our city category.
This is 30 years of bringing people together. Stand by and welcome once more to Panaan sa Negros!